Hi, friends and families. Um, okay, so one of the things that you'll see in your learning kit this week is patterns. Patterning is a wonderful math skill so that children can recognize that not just in math, but in life, that there are lots of patterns and patterns can be important. And so this week's activity, I didn't have the counting bears with me at home, so I sent home those little the little counters, the clear little different colored things, which you can use for a multitude of activities. So it could just be sorting those into different colors. It could be making ice cream cones with them and just talking about how many scoops would you want? Let's set 4 scoops on top and then have them slide them to make 4 different kinds. What colors were your scoops? I mean, the possibilities are endless. Counting again is so important for my 3-year-olds. Even just being able to count 5 different chips and being able to always like count out 5 and stop whenever you give them a number or they suggest a number and they get to that point, and recognizing that number 5 means just 5 of those chips, and then you don't go to the next one and the next one just because you can count higher than the others. And then yeah, and so but on this activity you're going to use those chips. I gave everyone, I think, 10 maybe. So you'll just pretend that those are bears. And so for my 3 and 4-year-olds, and even my 5-year-olds, wherever your child is, just matching the color and then talking about, whoa, I see that it just keeps doing the same thing over and over again. That means that it's a pattern. And so the pattern here is yellow, blue. And so if we took the yellow and blue, look, it's yellow and blue again. Look, it's yellow and blue again. And so there's only 2 colors that repeat, and talking about that. And then if they get to here, say, oh, what would come next? And I gave you guys extra markers that they could do that. And then the patterns get harder. This is called an A-B pattern. So that would be like if you named the yellow guy A and you named the blue guy B. Every time you got to a yellow, you would say A. So A, he's B, he's back to A, he's back to B. So this isn't one of the simpler patterns, the A-B. Here's another A-B. But then it gets into an A. Remember, if we name the orange one A and the green one B, we'd say A, B, A, B. So can they do those patterns? And then you have an A, B. So A, B, B, A, B, B. And then they can just extend. If your child's like great at patterns, have them make their own up. Just line them up. Say, make me a pattern. What is it? What keeps repeating? And then if they make a mistake, say, that didn't sound right. If they are supposed to stay the same, why is that yellow one there? We didn't do yellow before, so that can't be a pattern. But again, just making it fun and correcting in a very calm, happy way. Oh, I make mistakes too. Oh man. Or you create a pattern, but you have one color out of place and see if they can find it. That's another great activity for patterns. And then just recognizing patterns, like say they have a striped shirt on that's like blue, white, talk about the patterns in their shirts. Or if you have a certain type of kitchen tile that has a pattern on it, just bring those up. And just making patterns just a word that they're just very familiar with, because they know that it's the same thing that repeats over and over again. Okay, hope that helped. Have fun with it.